So when I got home today from running around, I heard this really weird noise, and when I got to the source of the noise, I found this. Little bluebird somehow crawled up into one of these openings here and got himself stuck. And now I gotta figure out how to take this thing apart to get him out. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll come back and we'll finish this up. Okay, so we figured out how to get this thing open. It was actually a lot easier than I thought it was. So hopefully he's gonna fly out now and he's rescued. So here we go. Come on out. Come on out, buddy. Let's go. There he goes. He's gone. And that's our rescue for the day.
There he is.
Yeah, point it at him. Show him. So, there he is, sitting on the wire, all happy, and we're done. Bye-bye, birdie.
Yeah, put it back on too.